Hey there everyone. Today I'm going to be replacing the fan in my 60 watt yellow and black Chinese laser with the Noctua 5 volt 92 millimeter fan. It's going to be replacing the 110 volt version that's in there now. It's starting to make some noise, so I thought might as well give one of these a try and see how it holds up. So stay tuned. So this is the Noctua NF-A9 5 volt version that I'm going to put in my yellow and black laser. We're going to open it up and see what it comes with. It's got a USB, so you can power it with a USB port, which is really pretty nice. I don't know if that's what I'll be doing in this instance, but it's a neat thing to have. Then you got the extension cable. Yeah, it's just the extension cable. Then there is some taps and a plug that you can tap it into 5 volts. That's interesting. I haven't, of the ones, the 12 volt versions that I've gotten that I use with my 3D printer and whatnot, it didn't come with anything like this. So this is really pretty interesting. And then the 4 screws to mount it. There's the fan. And then you can use these in place of the screws to have a more silent mounting option. I'm not worried about that in this instance. It's noisy enough in the garage that I'm not worried about a fan running. So that's what it came with. And I might be using this little option here to power this here in the laser. So I'll get it opened up and we'll take a look and see what I'm going to do. It's going to be kind of hard to film in here while I'm in here working, but here's the fan that I'm replacing, and that runs up into this wire channel and over here to this 110 block. So this is a 110 fan. I'm going to take it out, put the 5 volt in its place. I'm going to have to run a cable, and I'm going to take the 5 volts that comes off of this power supply. This power supply does 24 volt and 5 volt. So I'm going to tap into that to run the fan. And I don't know that airflow is going to be much of a big deal, but I thought, why not use one of these fans? I have them on my 3D printer, so I thought it'd be worth a try. First things first is I gotta disconnect the power. Okay, so what's holding these? It looks like some. So that one had the air blowing outward. A little awkward. One person trying to hold that and get it in, but I got it. I just used the screws that came with it instead of using the little machine screw and nut that they had on there. It's good and solid. Doesn't hit anything. So now we got to get it wired up. I think this might be where maybe this extension cable can come in. Let's see. Let's drop that in there. We'll come out. There. Come out here. Put the top back on the raceway. And now investigate how I'm going to get to some 5-volt. So I crimped on a couple of these connectors that I'll get it up here plugged into the power supply. I'm not going to be able to get me and the camera both in there, so I'm just going to have to do this off camera and then plug it in. We'll be back. Okay, here we got it plugged in. Runs down the channel to the fan. So now we're going to fire it up. Make sure she turns on. There we go. It's running. Just like we wanted. Really not much of a big deal to change that out at all. So if they'd had a 110 version of this Noctua fan, I would have got one of those and put one of those in there, but they didn't. So the power supply had 5-volt available, 5 and 24 volt. I don't think they had a 24 volt 3-pin available, so they had a 5. So I grabbed a 5 and replaced it. So we'll see how long this one lasts in here. So overall, I'm happy with the Noctua fans that I've used in the past. I think I've had 2 of them on my 3D printer. Now I've put this one in my 60-watt black and yellow Chinese laser. We'll see how it holds up out here in the garage with the dust and the dirt that gets churned up, and it's bound to get covered in it. So hopefully it holds up, and we'll see how long it lasts. I know this wasn't a long video, but I thought if I was doing this, I'd just go ahead and make a little video about it, and if it helps somebody, awesome. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll answer them best I can. And until next time, stay safe.